Welcome to a very special episode of Bogside Chats. I'm MattyPesq and I'm here with Franz to show you how to get started in DFK Fight Klub. DFK Fight Klub is a third-party app based in the DeFiKingdoms metaverse, which allows players to use their hero NFTs in a turn-based RPG game, offering them a chance to win DeFiKingdoms raffle tickets. If you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to ensure that you're staying up to date on everything DFK and Fight Klub.
DFK Fight Klub is a Discord-based game, so the first step is to join the Fight Klub Discord. You can use the link in the description below, or go to the castle in Crystalvale, where you'll see a link for DFK Fight Klub's Discord in the Jester NPC. Once you're in the Discord, you need to verify your wallet. To do this, click the Play Here channel on the sidebar. 3 options will appear: Play, Tutorial, and Verify. Click the Verify button and the game will give you a wallet address and ask you to send a small amount of Jewel to it. Any amount of Jewel works. I sent 0.0001 Jewel when I registered. Once the transaction completes, click the Verify button a second time. Your wallet is now verified to play the Fight Klub game. DFK Fight Klub does not connect to your wallet in any way. It simply mirrors the heroes shown in a wallet that you say is yours. That's the purpose of this small Jewel transaction, to prove that you actually own the wallet and the heroes it contains that you want to play the game with. You can connect up to 2 wallets at a time. To connect the second wallet, just click the Verify button again.
Once verified, click Play Here and the game will open a private playroom for you. Join that playroom. The next step is to choose your team. To choose your team, use the Discord command /choose_team and you will be given an option to enter a hero ID and a position. Fight Klub is a 3v3 game, so you'll have to select 3 heroes and assign each to either your frontline, midline, or backline. We'll discuss these positions later in the video. Once you've selected your 3 heroes, press enter and the game will show you your team so far. You can also view your current team at any time by using the Discord command /view_team. Once all 3 positions are filled, the system will show you what weight class your team is eligible for. Weight classes are a way to ensure that matchmaking is fair and players don't get matched up with opponents whose heroes are a much higher or lower level than their own. There are currently 5 weight classes: babyweight, lightweight, middleweight, light heavyweight, and heavyweight. The current weight class criteria can be viewed in the weight classes channel on the sidebar. Each has a total level limit for a team, as well as a level cap for each individual hero. These weight classes are subject to change as the game progresses, so be sure to check in periodically before hopping into a match. When playing a game, you will never be matched with an opponent outside your current weight class.
Next, we are going to discuss loadouts. It would be very frustrating to have to manually switch the heroes on your team every time you want to play a different weight class, so the game allows you to save teams that you use often. To save your current team, use the Discord command /loadout_save and enter in a name for that 3-hero team. To change your current team to a saved loadout, use the Discord command loadout_select and type the loadout name. If you ever forget the name of a given loadout, or just want to see a full list of loadouts you've created, use the Discord command /loadout_list, and the game will list all of your loadouts. You can also delete a given loadout with the Discord command /loadout_delete.
Now that we're done setting our team, it's time to discuss how the game is played. Your hero's stats play a large part into how effective they will be in a match, as each of these stats are put into simple formulas to determine health, damage, speed, and charge. Health is determined by adding the hit points of a given hero plus their endurance. Damage is calculated by adding a hero's strength, dexterity, half their intelligence, and half their luck. The formula for speed is agility plus dexterity plus half the hero's luck. And charge is intelligence plus wisdom. A little more on charge in a bit. These formulas can be viewed at any time in the game info channel on the sidebar. You can also look up a given hero's Fight Club stats at any time by using the Discord command /view_hero and entering the hero's ID. In addition to a hero's stats, the element plays a role in determining their Fight Club effectiveness. To view a list of elements, use Discord command /glossary and under lookup, enter elements. You'll see that each element adds to one of the formulas we discussed, while taking away from another. For example, ice adds 10% to your health while subtracting 10% from your speed.
In addition to a hero's stats, each class has 2 skills that can be used. These skills are consistent across all heroes of a given class. To view these skills, we are once again going to use the glossary command, this time typing classes under lookup. This will show you a full list of skills across each class. In addition to the 2 skills for a given class, your hero will have access to 1 skill from their subclass. The caveat here is that the subclass skill can only be used from your frontline hero. Some of the more powerful skills in the game have a cost associated with them, of a certain amount of meter. For example, it costs 1 meter to use the warrior's cleave skill, and you'll notice that the monk's Kai Blast costs a whopping 3 meter. This goes back to the charge gain that Matty just discussed. Each turn, your frontline hero gains charge based on their intelligence and wisdom stats to fill up your meter bar. If a skill does not have a meter cost listed next to it, that skill is free to use. After a skill is used, it goes on cooldown for the following turn.
Next, let's discuss the order of operations of a given Fight Club turn. The order in which the game processes turns never changes and will be a combination of the 4 options a player has: swap, use a skill, interrupt, or fierce attack. First, the game will process any swaps. Swaps are when a player chooses to move heroes on their team around. You can move between any position, frontline, midline, or backline, but it's important to mention that the backline hero cannot attack. Backline is more of a reserve spot for your team. After swaps are done, the game will process any skills that were used. This is where things get interesting. If you think your enemy is going to use a skill, you can choose to interrupt them. To interrupt, you select an opponent's hero that you believe will use a skill. If correct, that skill gets blocked and you gain 1 full meter as a reward. Additionally, your opponent's skill will still go on cooldown the following turn. After skills and interrupts are processed, each frontline hero auto-attacks. This auto-attack takes place every turn, regardless of whether you chose to swap, interrupt, or use a skill. But you can additionally buff your auto-attack by using Fierce Attack. Fierce Attack multiplies your auto-attack by 1.5, increasing the damage dealt. To be clear, Interrupt only blocks skills. It will not block swaps or Fierce Attacks.
Okay, we've covered the basics. It's time to discuss how to play a match and how DFK raffle tickets are integrated into the game. To get started, go back to the Play Here on the sidebar and click Play. This will take you back to your private playroom and you will see the option for Coliseum. Click into the Coliseum. This will give you the options to select AI team, view AI teams, fight, and leaderboards. If you click Fight, you will be put into a match with an AI that another player has loaded. The AI you face will be selected at random, but will always be from a matching weight class of the team that you are currently using. Coming soon, you will be able to pay a crystal fee to play these AI matches, and you will be granted DFK raffle tickets if you win. If you lose, raffle tickets will instead be granted to the owner of the AI team you faced.
Wait, what?
Yes, you heard that right. Players that load AI teams into the Coliseum can passively earn raffle tickets when other players fight their team. To load an AI team, we're going to click the Select AI Team button in Coliseum and scroll through the list, clicking on hero IDs that you want to add. In this instance, the order in which you are clicking these IDs does matter. The first ID clicked will be your frontline hero, the second will be your midline hero, and the last hero selected will be your backline hero. You can view your current Coliseum AI teams at any time by clicking the View AI Teams button. There is a limit of one AI team per weight class for each player, so you want to make sure that you have the strongest combination of heroes in each to maximize your raffle ticket earning potential.
That concludes our DFK Fight Club tutorial. If you're looking for additional Fight Club information, be sure to subscribe to Bogside Chats, as we will be doing a deep dive video into each hero class. For Franz, my name is MattyPesq. See you in the Coliseum.